So first, let's start out with the bags. So for the bags, I always had in mind that like open cubby layout. So I had this hutch made here, so we've got drawers below it and then the little hutch that I can put like anything on top. And then above it is just all the little cubbies for bags. Of course, each one, like some of them have like, there's 3 backpacks back here. And then the one up front, so you know there's only backpacks in here. And then all the clutches are up there. I don't have that many bags. These are the ones that I use more often, and it's nice to have them out and I can just see them in plain sight and I don't have to go searching for them. So if I'm getting dressed and I need a bag to go with a look, it's easy to pick one out. So for the hutch, I like to keep it as clutter-free as possible. It's a good amount of space and it has a mirror, so it makes it look a little bit bigger too, but really I just have my travel bag up here, a little jewelry box, and a lint roller, which of course is necessary in a closet. So this top drawer here is where I keep my jewelry, and it's not as organized as you might think. It's kind of just laid out here. You would think I would have those slots where you put your jewelry in, but I couldn't find anything that fit this space perfectly. So I just started laying out like the earrings here, the necklaces, then the bracelets, and the rings. It works out for me because everything's just a flat lay and it doesn't move around. Everything stays put and they won't mix up. So in this next drawer, right next to the jewelry, is more accessories. In here I have belts and sunglasses. You'll notice the sunglasses are mostly the Key and Desi high keys in all the different colors. As for the belts, I don't have that many, but there's definitely room to add some more. The belts that I found that I love the most are from Free People. These two are both from Free People. This one's actually from Target. Looks really good with just a basic pair of denim. And I believe these are both, no, this is Topshop, this is ASOS. So for the rest of the drawers, there's like underwear and bras there, some like just raggedy like house clothes in the next one. In this one, I've got just like scarves, beanies, and like gloves, which I hardly ever use unless I'm going somewhere snowy. And I also have a collection here of Nickelodeon hats that I'm pretty proud of. I bought these at Spencer's. I ended up seeing, actually this is the first one I bought, the Rocco's Modern Life one. And so then I found the Ren and Stimpy version. I have one that has Hey Arnold on it. It's the picture that Helga keeps in her locket. It's the best. But I think I also have Angry Beavers, but I think this one is my favorite, the Rocco. It's a good color. And then the next drawer down from there, sorry, it's kind of messy, but it's my workout clothes, just full of workout clothes that I hardly wear, but I need to get back to working out. And then under that is just like swimwear. So that's it for the drawers. And now on to the shoe closets. So I have 2 of these. I wanted the glass doors so that you could see all the shoes in there. And unfortunately, I still have my rotisserie situation going on here. I haven't had my electrician fix this yet, so these lights are supposed to be white, but they're red like a rotisserie. So in here, this one houses the shoes that I wear more often, like the more current shoes. The other one has just like older shoes that I don't wear as often. So this I love so much because it's organized. At my mom's house, my shoe closet was just the floor. I didn't have like an organized place and I didn't have enough space for all these shoes. So it's 4 to a row. There's a mirror on the back and of course the red lights. But the newest pair I bought are these booties by Celine. Very comfortable, very cute. I wore them in Big Sur last week. And probably my favorite shoes are these by Outerwear. It's just a really cute sandal that has like the beaded detail in the front here. And the good thing about having a shoe closet like this is because it has doors, it doesn't collect dust, which tends to happen with shoes a lot, especially if they're the shoes that you don't wear very often, and that's kind of annoying to have dusty shoes. So I love having this like set of doors just to keep them dust free. So on this side of the closet is all the like hung up clothing. So that's why, because it's not a huge space, it's a big closet, but it's not a huge one, I had mirrored doors put in so that it kind of creates the illusion of an even larger space. And actually we have a special guest sitting on the bench here. This is my new doggie. She doesn't have a name yet, but I adopted her from the Carson shelter and she's such a sweetie. I have lip gloss on. She's so sweet. She was an owner surrender and now she's with me and living a great life, So the way I have this laid out is there's 4 sets of doors. The 2 on the outside have a partition in the middle, so I hang shorter stuff in those. And then the 2 in the middle are for longer clothes like jeans, dresses, things like that. And then there's a row of drawers at the bottom, which is just extra storage. So in this closet, I've got, like I said, I have the partition here. So I hang the shorter stuff up here. So I have just sweaters and some t-shirts there. And then in this, on this rod, I have like denim shorts, skirts, anything that's like short, and a bottom. I hang that up here. And then at the very bottom where the drawer is here, I just have like, what do you call it? Sweatshirts. Hi, Popo. Hi, Popo. So over in this set of doors, these are all just pants, bottoms. The long ones, obviously. These are all denim. I also have some denim down here in this drawer, the ones that like I don't wear that often, so I don't hang them up. I also have like longer skirts and also like rompers and things and like overalls, but again, lots of pants in here. This next one is a little bit cluttered. This is where I keep all the longer, more formal stuff. So I've got dresses, 2-piece sets, longer skirts in here. So these are all, like I said, just more dressed up kind of looks, but I do need to do a little bit of a purge in here because it is about to burst. And in this last set of doors, I have, again, the partition. So I have shorter stuff on the top and the bottom. These are all just tops. Anything that's like a bodysuit or a button-up or just like a regular top that goes in there. And up here I have outerwear, just faux leather jackets, denim jackets, faux fur jackets, or even just like the heavier knit stuff. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my closet tour. If there's anything you saw in my closet that you want more details on, just leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. So thanks from us, and if you have a good doggy name for her, leave it down in the comments too. Bye!